Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use Justdial Enquiry Scraper. First enter the login page URL of Justdial, now enter a targeting date and time. The tool will collect all leads until the process reaches the target date and time. Now simply click on Fetch Leads button. Once you click on it, it will open a new browser window on your system and it will auto-redirect you on Justdial's login page. Simply log into your account and enter the OTP. Once the dashboard opens, click the Leads button, where you can monitor your leads. Scroll down and click on any displayed lead. Copy the URL from the browser's address bar. Return to the tool. Paste the copied URL into the Inquiry Panel URL input. You can also enter an older date to retrieve leads from that date. Click the Fetch Leads button. Within a few minutes, the leads will start appearing in your panel. Once the process is complete, you can check out the extracted leads in the table below. If you want to scrape leads from an older date, simply change the date or time. And click Fetch Leads again. Once the process is complete, your older leads will be appended to your panel. Thank you for watching.